In this video, I'm going to be sharing about these felt panels that were sent to me to check out and test out and do a review so that you can make an informed purchase decision. So I received 10 of these, and they are 15 by 13, so they are large. And I was afraid they were going to be too large, but I'm going to show you exactly how I used them. So on the back there is adhesive, which is really nice because you don't need any tools whatsoever. I was able to just lightly put them on the wall until I figured out where I wanted them, and then I would just push them harder so that they would stick nice and strong. It does come with push pins, which is really nice, so you don't have to run out and buy a bunch of push pins to start using these. I ended up using them in my office on two different sides of my desk because they are so big. I didn't have enough wall space to put all of them, so I divided them up in my office, and I divided them up in my husband's office, and also put them in our laundry room. So there are lots of uses for this. I really appreciated the nice subtle neutral colors and that they weren't all the same color. And in terms of the quality, really good. They're really dense, so those push pins are really going to stick. So I'm just really impressed with the quality. I love these. I don't plan on taking these down at all. And I hope that you found this video really, really helpful.